Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create API key as well as explore models in GMI Cloud. Link of this page in the description of the video. You can check it from there. First, you need to click on this sign in, and after you are successfully signed in, you will be redirected to this page. In home section, you can see your model usage as well as your billing. You can create API key directly through clicking here, create API key. Else, you need to go to the setting, then API keys, click on create API key. Here, first you need to enter your API key name, and in scope, it will ask for two things. See here, inference. You need to choose inference if you want your AI models through an API, and if you want, and you need to choose infrastructure if you want to manage GPU instance, deploy containers. See, basically, infrastructure is mainly for cloud operation and DevOps stacks rather than running AI models. So we will select inference and click on create key button. You need to copy your API key as later you won't be able to view it again. Now let us go back. See in Explorer section uh, provides us access to Model Hub and Playground. See, Model Hub is a collection of AI models from different providers. Like providers means NVIDIA, Minimax, Anthropic, Google, etc. See, for example, let me click on Nematron 3 Ultra. If you click, see, here you can see the models use cases, API, endpoint, as well as some sample examples, which you can later refer and integrate that this model in your application. Let me go back to the model hub, and in the left section, in the filter section, you can see deployment. There are two types: serverless and dedicated. See, serverless, you can think of it as pay only when you use it. See, for example, GMI Cloud will manage the GPU for you, and you pay based on the API usage, like token, request, etc. Dedicated deployment means you will have your own private GPU server running the model. Now, let us go to the playground section. In playground section is an interactive environment where you can test models directly. See, it works like chatbot. For example, if you click here at the top bar, you can select different kinds of model. Let me select Minimax. Enter in. Hi. See, it will work. It works like a chatbot, but you will have an options to adjust parameters, compare output, and experiment with prompts before integrating the models into your project. That's all for this video. Thank you.